He saw me. There's two of them in a row. So F700GGH and the Enterprise driver ahead. I don't think I'm going to try and catch anymore. I'm going to ignore any further car drivers I see. There's a limit. Are you allowed? No, I'm going to report it to the police. Oh, notice that start there by FD22HJK, late to go with the queue. I'm pretty certain I saw him on the phone. Okay, yeah, phone screen lit up, green at the top. Hello there. Are you allowed to be using your phone while driving along?
Yeah, I'm writing something.
No, you can't be using your phone, that's handheld. Engine's running, you're wearing a seatbelt, you're definitely driving, and you were slow to catch up to this guy. Who am I? Thanks for the extra evidence of phone use. If you want to know who I am, you can have a red card. I think I've reported about 2,000 of you over the past 6 years.
It looks like you don't do nothing and you just reporting.
Well, anyway, you can argue with the police. I'm going to report it to the police. They will probably choose to prosecute you, at which point you'll probably get 6 points, and your insurance costs will probably double.
Yeah, that's the fact that you go down. People like you.
Stay off your phone when you're driving. Stay off your phone. Stay off your phone.
Yes, what a day to you, tiny temper. Labyrinth of cars out of block, just introduced.